Welcome to Webstar Press. If you have a business or you are selling products, you can reach target audience using video sales letter. Video sales letter is a powerful tool to reach specific audience and convey your message effectively. Let me explain what a video sales letter is. A video sales letter or VSL is an essential tool for businesses in this digital age, due to its unique ability to engage audience and convey complex information in an easily digestible manner. Unlike text-based content, a VSL taps into the auditory and visual senses simultaneously, which not only grabs the viewer's attention but also enhances their understanding and recall of the information presented. In today's fast-paced digital environment, consumers often prefer consuming content in video format because it's easier to comprehend and saves time. A well-made VSL can successfully and convincingly communicate the value proposition of a product or service, making it an efficient method to persuade potential customers. A VSL can humanize a brand, making it more relatable and trustworthy to consumers. The use of storytelling combined with visuals and sound can evoke emotions that help create a stronger connection between the brand and its audience. In terms of online visibility, search engines prioritize video content, making a VSL a smart strategy for improving search engine rankings and driving more traffic to a business's website or YouTube channel. Hence, a VSL is not only a powerful tool for direct sales but also an effective tactic for broader digital marketing strategies. Let's use ChatGPT to create a script for an effective video sales letter. Here is the prompt. Ignore all previous instructions, do not provide bullet points, do not self-reference, do not explain what you are doing. The usual stuff at the beginning. Then we have our context. Voice tone should be professional, writing style should be analytical, language should be English. For business or services, I'm going for web development services. Business location, I'm assuming it is located in United States. Total words limits for the VSL can be 600. You can adjust this limit according to your need. Call to action to click this subscribe button. It can be a link for your recent or popular product as well. And here are the instructions. Instructions should be detailed. Okay, so you are a marketing researcher. According to the context provided, generate a detailed user persona for mentioned business or services. First, write user persona creation for mentioned business or services in mentioned location as the heading. Now create a subheading called demographics. Below, create table with 2 columns and 7 rows with the following format. Column 1, data points. Data points should be name, age, occupation, annual income, marital status, family situation, and location. Column 2 should be answers for each data point in column 1 based on the specific market of mentioned business or service. Now create a subheading called video sales letter for above persona. Below this, generate a complete YouTube video script in second person of around required words that are mentioned using this persona, that are mentioned in context. Person using this persona of around required words that are mentioned in the context. In the relevant segment, ask the viewer to click the subscribe button or place call to action as mentioned in the context area. Alright. So here is the example user persona. User persona creation for web development services in United States. Example name, age, occupation, annual income, marital status, family situation, location. Okay, video sales letter for above persona. Are you a small business owner striving to make your mark in the highly competitive business landscape of this location? Do you dream of a robust and dynamic website that not only grabs attention but also turns potential leads into loyal customers? Welcome to our world of web development services, where we transform those dreams into a vibrant digital reality. We understand how critical it is to stand out in the crowd. just like you do, being a small business owner in the heart of San Francisco. Your aspirations and vision are our starting point. How does a powerful, sleek, and user friendly website sound? One that conveys your business ethos and sells your product or service without overwhelming your audience. With our web development services, we can make this a reality. And at the end, here is the CTA. So, what are you waiting for? Take the next step in your business journey and join the ranks of our many satisfied customers. Click the subscribe button below to stay informed about our services and join our community of successful entrepreneurs just like you here in San Francisco and all around the United States. This could be the beginning of a whole new chapter in your business story. Now, this script is talking to a single person. Just make it general by removing single person name. By doing so, you will target a specific audience under same user persona. Then this video can be generated according to this script and be shared to a wider audience under same user persona. You can also convert this text into a better looking YouTube video script. All you have to do is to ask this. Rewrite this sales letter as a YouTube video script containing useful hints. So here are additional hints. Camera fades in on host. Here's the opening script. Show web development images. Host gestures towards the screen. Cut to screen showing dynamic websites. Show pictures of person at work and later checking sales data. Clip of money being counted. Show images of different clients. Cut to a clip of user spending time with his family. Show the host again. Show subscribe button on screen. Host waves, screen fades out. This is better, I guess. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.